Hi guys, we are making a delicious and fluffy banana bread in a rice cooker today. Just in case, all ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need 2 eggs, walnuts or any nut, salt and baking soda, coconut sugar or the regular one, flour 2 cups or so, 2 bananas, and 1.5 stick of butter. So let's get started with the recipe. First, mash your bananas with a fork, and don't worry about the bananas if they are a little chunks. Then add your baking soda and salt. Then add slowly your flour and the coconut sugar to a bowl and mix together. Now add your melted butter and mix until incorporated. Add more flour and mix. Now we're gonna add the eggs one at a time and mix. Then add more flour and mix. And add walnuts and mix. This is optional, but you can add cinnamon and vanilla extract. Mix, but be careful not to overmix. Yeah, we are ready to use the rice cooker. Butter your rice pot and add your butter. Guys, I'm separate some butter to use in my regular rice cooker if you don't have the Japanese rice cooker as me, okay? So we butter our glass container and add our butter inside. Now you have to use your cake setting into cake cycle in the Japanese rice cooker. It's take 45 minutes. And to the other rice cooker, just add water. Put the steamer plate and then put our glass container and press the cook button. And yeah, we have to wait. Okay guys, the Japanese rice cooker finished the process, 45 minutes, but we're gonna check the regular rice cooker first, okay? Just introduce the knife to check if the cake is cooked. And yep, it is. Now we are going to check the other one. And I think we need more minutes, so we are going to set it into a cake cycle again, but I will stop the process in 15 minutes or until the center comes out clean with a knife. And here we have the final result, guys. Both are really fluffy and delicious. You have to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the recipe, please press like button and subscribe for more videos. And I will love if you share this video with your friends and family. Yes, my dog Candy is waiting for a little piece of cake. This is healthy version. Just be sure you take out the walnuts and let's see if she like it. She's my coton de Tuliar. She has some videos every Saturdays, but she is my partner every Wednesdays with my recipes. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.